animals with backbones, vertebrates. This is an introduction to what we'll be covering this year in our comprehension book, where we'll be studying and learning about animals of classes of animals with backbones, and there are 5 of them. So follow along with your eyes as I read. What is a chordate? Now this is a little bit complicated, so I'm just going to read it aloud and then we'll discuss it later. Okay, all chordates have 4 basic features that are present at some point during their life cycle. A hollow nerve cord in which nerves branch out at regular intervals. Nodal cord, long supporting rod that runs throughout the body. Pharyngeal pouches, paired structures in the throat. Muscular tail extends beyond the anus. Only 4 to 5% of animals are chordates. Examples of chordates. Now this is another diagram. It's a chordate cladogram, and it shows you